In this video, I'll show you how to post on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, head over to your LinkedIn, right? If you're on LinkedIn and you want to learn how you can post on LinkedIn, you can see this start a post. You want to click on it, right? Once you have clicked on it, you can either post a photo, a video, you can create an event. If you click on the more, you can celebrate an occasion, you can share what you're hearing, you can create a poll, you can add a document, you can find an expert. So from what you want to post, from your own preference or from what you have in mind, you can come on here. If you want to post a photo, you can click on this. Your photo would open right away, right? If you click on video open right away. So depending on what you want, right, depending on what you want, that is how you can basically post here on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.